Every day, you're moving fast. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, why? Most people never do. And that's exactly why they feel stuck, burnt out, or directionless. But what if I told you, your greatest breakthrough isn't in a new productivity hack? It's in your ability to pause. Because self-reflection is the weapon 99% of people never use. And if you do, you instantly jump ahead of the rest. Section 1. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most people live on autopilot. Same thoughts, same routines, same mistakes. And then they wonder why nothing changes. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, said by Einstein. Section 2. Let me tell you, for example, a filmmaker stuck editing wedding videos he didn't care about. Burnt out, tired, until one night, he asked himself a simple question: what do I really want? He started writing every night, reflecting, questioning. In 6 months, he quit that job and started making short films. One of them got 5 million views, all because he stopped and reflected. Section 3. Make it visual. The mirror metaphor. Self-reflection is like wiping the fog off a mirror. Only when you see clearly, can you act wisely. Section 4. Some of the most successful people in the world swear by reflection. Oprah journals every single day. Bill Gates think weeks just to reflect. Naval Ravikant says, play long-term games with long-term people, and that starts with knowing yourself. Section 5. Here's a challenge. Tonight, take 10 minutes. No phone. No noise. Just a pen, paper, and your thoughts. Ask yourself, what am I doing that's working? What's holding me back? What do I really want? And do this every day for the next 7 days. You won't believe how much clarity you'll gain. If you don't pause to look within, you'll keep searching outside, but the answers you seek, they're already inside you. Comment below, what's one question you'll ask yourself tonight? Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's stuck on autopilot.